Is it for the ice cream?
Alright. Okay. Put this inside this cup sleeve. No, this one first. This cup first. Hold this cup. Hold this cup. Hold. Then lift. Then put this inside. Then get the lid in on top of it. Alright. Then press it. Next. This one.
I'll help you. We'll have to
Put the cup inside. Hold this cup. Then put inside. Get the lid.
This one, you wanna try the big one?
Then close it. Alright. Okay. Pwede na po sila mag-prepare. Papasok. First cup. What was this for? Hot or cold? Hot. Okay. This one.
Listen ha. You listen to the instruction.
You just listen. You just go there.
214.
Masayaw naman po dancing in the kitchen.
Dancing in the kitchen daw na.
221. Okay. Meron pang isa, sir? 219. Isa po 219. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Oh, careful.
Thank
you.
Sige. Oh, you wanna put your milk?
Thank you. Oh, yeah.
Mama, enter the store na.
You smiled lang.
Say mo good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Ginamitan mo lang ng cute si Mami. Ready later, ha?
Hello, good morning. You say good morning.
Say good morning.
Don't you just say hi?
Thank you po.
Thank you po. Good morning. Welcome to McDonald's. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Say good morning. Morning. Welcome to McDonald's. Piel.
Where are the other kids? Ate, come here. Wait lang yan.
Go. Nakasan mo? Morning.
That's how we do it, huh? Okay, next, I wanted to order chicken. So where's the chicken? Look for the chicken. Right, 200. Baka may nang chicken menu. Here's the chicken here. That's the chicken. Now they are well fed. Okay? Now, I want with Tokyo. No, I want to... Can I look for something with Tokyo? No, that's medium eh. That's with medium fats and drinks. Yeah, number of
Yes, Miss Amy.
Great job!
You're not greeting the customer.
Say hi! Say hi to the
Greet the customer.
Greet the customer. Greet the customer.
Hi, girl!
Here, go greet the customer.
Good morning po! Good morning po! Smile! Where's your smile? Hi! Where's your smile? Morning po!
Makikiyamboy at makikasama sa graduation natin si Grimace. Okay kids, padaanin muna natin si Grimace para makapagsimula na tayo. Has learned new skills, made new friends, gained new knowledge, and successfully completed the 2024 McDonald's City Crew Workshop. Once again, Bielba de Santos and his father. Okay, congratulations. Okay, picture po. And successfully completed the 2024 McDonald's Kitty Crew Workshop. Okay, once again, Lucia and his mom. Okay, thank you so much, Mommy.